Hi friends, this video shows how to record full HD video 50 frame per seconds in autofocus mode. So first we have to select movie recording mode using this mode dial. You can see I have selected movie recording mode. Here we can see movie recording options. Then press this set or OK button on the camera. Then here we have to choose the mode. We have auto exposure, manual exposure. We have to select the first one, auto exposure, that is the autofocus mode. Select it, then press OK button on the camera. Then press this menu button. Then under that first tab, go to option 1. Under option 1, select movie record size, select it. Here we can see 4 options. And here we have to select Full HD 50 frames per second. Select it. Okay. So next I am going to record one video in this Full HD 50 frames per second using autofocus. Here we can see one button on top of the camera. So this is a movie recording button. We have to press that button. We can see recording has started. Here we can see R is a label in red color and there is a red border. That means recording is going on. If you want to stop the recording, we can again press this movie recording button. See, recording stopped. Next I am going to play that recorded video. Press this button, play button. Now we can see last recorded video. Then press this set or OK button. Press this OK button again. See, now I am playing that recorded video. Okay. So this way we can record video in full HD for 50 frames per second using autofocus. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. So if you want to delete, we can press this delete button. Then select erase and delete that video. Okay, so please check it.